Hello everybody, and today we are making Christmas pie. So holidays are coming, New Year and Christmas, and we decided to make this pie. We have ingredients here, and it's flour, 1 glass of flour, 1 glass of sugar, a butter, 3 or 4 apples, as you want. So some coconut, lemon, eggs. So we need 4 eggs, cinnamon and baking powder. So we can start to do our paste, and we are ready to prepare our Christmas pie. We are ready to start, and first of all we need to break our eggs. So, first egg is here. One. You can break. Разбиваем, как мы break. You can break the egg with a fork, right? So, yes, good. I can help you, and it's here. Second egg. Third egg. Yes, 1 more, and so 2 more. Let's do it. Take a fork and bite here. Yeah. Good. And the last one. This is fourth. Четвертая, да? 4 eggs. And this is fourth. Taya is mixing 4 eggs. Yes, second. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 eggs. They are yellow and clear. 2 colors, yellow and clear. And we need to mix everything. Next, it will be sugar. We need to add a sugar to our eggs. So mix, please. Yes. You need to mix everything. Good. Right now it's time to add a flour. Put it here into this bowl. Yes, by yourself. Taya, blend everything, please. Be careful. And next it will be baking powder. We need just half of our spoon. So let's blend, and be faster, please. We need to do it faster. Our next step is peeling our lemon to our paste. And let's start to peel. So we can see small pieces of our lemon in the paste, and it's very good. Yes, you can try. Take in both hands lemon and try to peel. Okay, right now. Okay, other side of our lemon. We need to drop small pieces of coconut in our paste. And mix it one more time. Mix it one more time. Right now, we need to oil our baking dish with the butter and drop our apples on the bottom. It's time for apples. So drop all the apples inside this bowl. Yes. Let's do it by yourself. All the apples are on the bottom. Cinnamon. And next we will be paste. Let's pour our paste in the baking dish. Right now, let's bake this pie. We are waiting for 50 minutes. Right now, our Christmas pie is ready. And please subscribe to our channel, watch our new video, and have a nice day. See you. Bye-bye.